Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome to International Opportunity Hub. Friends, my name is Akib Shahzad, and today we are going to discuss about the European University Institute Fellowship Program, that is a Policy Leader Fellowship Program. This program is going to be started 1st September 2023, that is in Italy, and the application deadline is 25th January 2023. So friends, if you are new in my video, watch my other channel. They will help you in getting international scholarship, internship, exchange program and international conference. So friends, let's have a look on it. The Policy Leader Fellowship is a residential program for mid-career policy professionals from a range of policy fields, politics, civil service, media, non-governmental organizations and others. The unique program is hosted at one of the most renowned academic institutions in Europe. So you can check here program description, and after that information for applicant. So the application deadline is 25th January 2023. First of all, you have to register yourself. After that, you have to submit your application, and the requested documents are your CV, your short biography, your 2 reference letter, your copy of highest education certificate, your letter of motivation, and your work plan, and your letter of reference. Reference letter will not be accepted after 31st January. It is recommended to start this process as soon as possible by registering your application on the platform early. And English knowledge. The expected level of English proficiency is level C1 of. So English certificate is not requested as part of the application, but successful candidate may be invited for interview in English and requested to provide a certificate documents on registration. But you can submit your application without these tests. Condition of award. The fellowship are offered for a duration of 5 months or 10 months. Candidates should indicate their preference from the following option. 5 months will start from September 2023 to January 2024, or will start from February 2024 to June 2024. And for 10th month, if you are applying for 10 month fellowship program, then it will start from September 2023 to June 2024. The basic grant is €2,500 per month, and your family allowance, your taxation, your medical insurance. So these are the expenses will covered by the host institution. And after that, selection procedure and criteria. Selection and evaluation criteria. The general profile of the candidate must be mid-career professional able to demonstrate solid professional experience, minimum 10 years, and potential for future excellence in a given policy area. Candidate with strictly academic profile typically will not be considered, and self-motivated and driven, open-minded and curious. Evaluation criteria. Your accomplishment and potential, your focus area, your fellowship work plan, your motivation, and your diversity. And after that, you can check here frequently asked question. Can I participate in the Policy Leader Fellowship at EUI on a virtual basis? No, this is not a virtual fellowship program. How many Policy Leader Fellowship are available? Each year, the HTG awards approximately 30 fellowship programs. So there are 30 fellowship will be given to the most talented and motivated students. So you can check here other frequently asked questions. So I am going to apply on it. So friends, click here apply. So the deadline is 25th January 2023. So if you are new user, then first of all you have to create your account. Click here, register here. Have you been or you are currently enrolled on a AUI academic program, or do you have any active application account within 6 months? No. For registration, you have to put your family name, your first name, your gender, your date of birth, your country of birth, your nationality, your email address, and then here you have to put your password and requested for Policy Leader Fellowship. Then register yourself. They will send you a confirmation email with your password. Then you can log in your account. So friends, I'm going to log in my account. I have to put my username, my password, then click on login. So click here new application. So friends, this is my officially application form for Policy Leader Fellowship School of Translational Governance. So friends, in the application form you have to put your family name, your first name, your gender, your country of birth, and your street name, your city, and your referee section, how to register your referee. So make sure that you have informed your reference that they will be contacted by the EUI for a reference letter. So friends, here you have to put information about your referees. Minimum number of referees are 2, maximum number of referees is also 2. First of all, you have to select your referee title, then first name, family name, email address, and his or her telephone number, institution name, and simply click here add referee and send request. So after putting your personal information and your referee information, then go to the next section, continue it. So friends, as I did not put all my information, so you have to put all your information, then go to the next section where you have to upload your documents and few other information. Then you can simply submit your application form for the Policy Leader Fellowship Program in Italy. So friends, it's a very great opportunity. If you are fulfill this criteria and you are willing to apply this program, then must avail this opportunity. And also friends, share this amazing opportunity with your social network. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.